Hello everyone, I am Nimish Wagre. In GATE 2021, I have secured All India Rank 23 in Chemical Engineering. In this video, I will discuss how to stay focused while GATE preparation. Let us start our discussion. When I was an aspirant for GATE examination, as I was not able to focus much on study on GATE preparation due to this college lecture and a lot of college activities and the college tension and other as I was living on a hostel in second year, third year, and I want to have many fun activities going on in hostel. So I was also unable to focus on my study. And also for talking about chemical engineering subject, most of many subjects are not interesting. They are quite boring. Yes, they are really means not that much interesting. Chemical technology and plant design and economics. There is nothing interesting. I was also feeling the same. So how I develop interest is मेरे माइंड में सिर्फ एक ही रखता था कि केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग गेट इज द सिंपलेस्ट वे टू बिकम एन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर. Keep in mind this chemical engineering gate is the simplest way to become an central government officer because इसमें कंपटीशन सबसे कम है. मैकेनिकल की इधर देखने जाओगे 1 लाख 2 लाख स्टूडेंट गेट एग्जाम देते हैं और इधर केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में वो बोलने चाहे तो सिर्फ 16,000 ओनली दैट मच स्टूडेंट्स गिव एग्जाम and IOCL, BRC, ONGC and they do recruitment of lot of students through GATE. So simplest way to become an officer. So इतना कुछ मिल रहा है गेट के थ्रू तो थोड़ा तो ऐसा पेंस करना पड़ेगा ही ना. तो ये एक चीज़ मेरे माइंड में रखता था. और उसके भी दूसरा एक रीज़न हो सकता होता है कि कोई भी सब्जेक्ट इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं हो लगता है तो सब्जेक्ट प्रॉपरली समझ में नहीं आया होगा तो भी एक this is also one reason to become unable to develop interest in that subject. So in this problem what I will suggest is now lot of content available on YouTube and Unacademy platform and lot of other sources. So listen it and clear your concept. This is only way to develop interest in any subject for GATE. And this is what when I was aspirant in the second year, third year, this YouTube and many other platform was not that much developed. They are developed now. So when I was in fourth year, that all platform get developed due to Corona pandemic, and so take benefits of all this platform, Unacademy and this YouTube. This is one suggestion I will give. And for this second problem means college thoughts coming in your mind while you are doing study for GATE. What I will suggest is while you are doing reading notebook notes or reading books or listening any lecture, keep one rough notebook with you and write important formulas, important points and everything on it. It will help you to stay focused during your preparation. Try this 1 or 2 times. You will really find it effective. That keeping rough notebook and writing rough formula writing formulas and any important points. It will keep you focused for GATE preparation. And third point I will suggest you is to instead of this for chemical engineering, this chemical technology totally theoretical subject. And some subject like fluid mechanics, heat transfer are totally numerical subject. So while you are making a daily plan and any weekly plan, keep these 2 subjects parallelly. Means chemical technology for some time and heat transfer for some time, and in parallel keep mathematics. Give your much focus on mathematics because it is the 15-mark subject. I am again and again saying this sentence in all my videos. You see all my videos. I am praying for pay your attention on mathematics and aptitude because I have lost many marks in aptitude. This should be not case with you. And this is what I will third point I will suggest. And in fourth point what I will suggest is make a plan, means 15 days plan. I have discussed in my one video how to make I think this strategy for GATE. In this video, I have discussed how to make a plan, daily plan, timetable. And in this video, I have discussed the 15 days plan, and in which you 14 days you should do study, and 15 days you should solve question papers. And you should divide your per day work, means how much you want to study per day. इफ यू डू सच काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स मीन्स आई वॉज मैं जब हॉस्टल में था, मैं बाकी के मतलब फ्रेंड्स को भी ऐसे सजेस्ट करता था कि ऐसा डेली लिख के रखो, आज ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. पर उनका मुझे रिप्लाई आता था कि जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तो प्रेशर आता है ऐसा, इसलिए वो बनाने का ही नहीं, ऐसा डेली शेड्यूल बनाने का ही नहीं, ऐसा उनका चलता था जब हॉस्टल पे रहता था. तो मैं उनको एक सोल्यूशन दूंगा कि ये जब प्रेशर आएगा, प्रेशर आपकी आदत बननी चाहिए, प्रेशर आदत बननी चाहिए, और उसकी ये प्रिपरेशन उधर से ही स्टार्ट होती है. जब आप डेली शेड्यूल बनाएंगे और उसको प्रॉपरली फॉलो नहीं होगा तो जो प्रेशर आएगा वो हैंडल करना, वो सब आपको पढ़ना है. और ये गेट के प्रिपरेशन के उधर से ही चालू होगा, कॉलेज को मैनेज करना, गेट का भी मैनेज करना, ये सब प्रेशर आदत बन जाएगी. ऐसा कीप इन माइंड दिस सेंटेंस. एंड another point I will suggest you is to take proper sleep. Means many students what they do is they want to prepare for GATE and they only take 2 to 3 hours sleep at night, and they waste most of the time in day on mobile or any platform. What I will suggest is take proper sleep at night. Means I was taking 7 hours sleep, 12 to 7 sleep properly, and I was not wasting a very few time, not wasting any time in day. This is one I will suggest you. It will help you to stay focused. Means if you do take sleep 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours while you are preparation, then you will find it you will sleepy while you are preparing for GATE, and this should be not happen with you. So and next point I want to tell you, you will quite feel it boring, but it is very important, is meditation. मीन्स मैं तो सुबह कभी जल्दी उठता नहीं था, 7 बजे 7-7:30 बजे उठता था, तो सुबह में कभी योगा नहीं किया. मैं वैसा शाम को ही योगा करता था, थोड़ी देर योगा करता था, और उसके बाद 10 से 15 मिनट मैं ऐसा सोचते बैठा था मैं दिन भर क्या किया, आज मेरा प्रॉपर वे में चल रहा है क्या, डेली शेड्यूल जो बनाया था वो मैंने प्रॉपरली फॉलो किया है क्या. ऐसा एक शाम को एक बार 10 से 15 मिनट में हर रोज करता था, और उसके वजह से मुझे डायरेक्शन मिलता था. आज डेली इतना टाइम पास हो गया है, इतना डेली शेड्यूल फॉलो नहीं हो पा रहा, तो इतना मुझे फोकस करना चाहिए, इधर मेरा टाइम चला, बहुत सा टाइम चला गया. ऐसे मैं हर डे पे वैसे फीडबैक लेते रहता था खुद का ही. दिस इज वन आई विल सजेस्ट यू, प्लीज कीप 15 to 20 minutes to recap yourself what you do in whole day. And second point I want to tell you, in night means this is problem I was facing many times when I was studying at night. मैं कुछ दिन ऐसे स्टार्टिंग को कोई सब्जेक्ट लिया, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स या हीट ट्रांसफर, ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट, तो मैं जल्दी सो जाता था, 10 बजे सो जाता था. ऐसा बाद में ऐसा मैथमेटिक्स स्टार्ट किया रात को सॉल्व करने, मैथमेटिक्स लेता था, दिमाग नहीं चलता था, वापस सो जाता था 10-11 बजे. तो ऐसा उसके बाद मैंने क्या चालू किया था, यूट्यूब पे लेक्चर ऐसे सुनने का. रात को ऐसा किसी का ना कोई भी लेक्चर होंगे कोई भी सब्जेक्ट के, तो ऐसा मैं रात को सुनते बैठता था, 10-11 बजे चालू करता था. तो ऐसा नींद नहीं आती थी मुझे, मोबाइल पे रहता था, तो वो एक था. और उसके बाद ये भी मैं कुछ दिन किया, और उसके बाद ऐसा अनअकैडमी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आशीष फुत्तन सर, उनका एप्टीट्यूड का हर रोज रात को 10 बजे या 11 बजे रहता था, वो भी मैं हर रोज मैं ऐसा अटेंड करता था. नींद आती थी ना मुझे, वो अटेंड करके ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने स्टार्ट कर देता था. उसके वजह से मैं ऐसे 12 बजे से ऐसे स्टडी मेरा चलता था 12 बजे तक, और ऐसा प्रॉपर वे में रहता था, ऐसे नींद आ रही है ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता था. वो पढ़ाना थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था फुत्तन सर का, तो ऐसा नींद अवेयर रहता था. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट आई विल सजेस्ट इज to get a good rank in GATE, rank in top 100, top 50, you should prepare all subjects. Means many students ignore this plant design and economics, mechanical operation, chemical technology. So such kind of small subject they ignore. So I will suggest you to prepare all subjects. All subjects are equally important. बिकॉज अभी मीन्स ऑल सब्जेक्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. अभी IIT बॉम्बे में एमटेक कर रहा, तो एडवांस केमिकल रिएक्शन इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट है, उसमें मैकेनिकल ऑपरेशन यूज कर रहे हैं, मैकेनिकल ऑपरेशन के कंसेप्ट. मीन्स ऑल सब्जेक्ट आर इक्वली इम्पोर्टेंट. दिस इज वन आई विल सजेस्ट यू. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you and let's crack it.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello learners, don't forget or miss our special class feature on Unacademy platform or application. Special class features are interactive live classes, polls for the learners, raise a hand feature, never miss a class, lecture notes, and you can go through lectures from anytime and from anywhere.